The third and final thing in this section is multi-step operations. And so what they're going to do now is they're going to take the adding and subtracting and the scalar multiplication we just did in the last two sections, or the last two parts, and they're going to put them all together with different matrices. So what you see right here is they give us three matrices, an A, a B, and a C matrix. And they want us to do different operations with these three. So you'll see right here on number 12, we start off with B minus C. So what they want us to do is take the B matrix, this one right here, and subtract the C matrix from it. So let me write that out first so we can take a look at it. So first, the B matrix. It'd be 2, 2, 1, negative 2. And then minus the C matrix, which is negative 3, 3, and 4, and 1. So now all you got to do is subtract corresponding elements. So 2 minus negative 3. Now the two negatives back to back, the minus and negative would be a positive. So they end up just being 2 plus 3, which is 5. Next we have 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 would come out to be negative 2. Then we have 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 would come out to be negative 2 also. And then lastly, we have negative 2 minus 1. The two negatives, we'd add those together. So that would come out to be negative 3. So that would be your final answer. 5, negative 2, negative 2, negative 3. All right, next up we have A minus 4 times C. So what we want to do is we want to multiply C times 4 and then subtract that from A. So let's write that out and see what it looks like. First A, which would be 3, 2, 4, 3. And then subtract 4 times C, which is negative 3, 4, 3, and 1. So here we go. We start off by multiplying everything in the C matrix times negative 4, because remember, with that subtraction there, it's going to make that 4 negative. So it'd be negative 4 times negative 3, which would be a positive 12. Negative 4 times 4, which would be a negative 16. Negative 4 times 3, which would be a negative 12. And then negative 4 times 1, which is just negative 4. Now because I distributed the negative with the 4, I changed it to a plus sign in the middle. And now we just add the last two matrices together. So we match up corresponding elements, so it'd be 3 plus 12, which would just come out to be 15. Then we have 2 plus negative 16, which would be negative 14. Next we have 4 plus negative 12, which is negative 8. And then finally we have 3 plus negative 4, which would just simply be negative 1. So that would be your last answer, or your final answer, 15, negative 14, negative 8, negative 1. So that finishes out this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know by sending me a message on Remind. Other than that, good luck.